In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to make a sugar dome using glucose, water and caster sugar. I'll pop all of the steps on the screen so that you can pause and go back as you need to. Effectively, you want to make sure that you don't stir the sugar mix once it hits the stove, and you make sure that you allow it to cool down to 120 degrees. It can get as low as 115, but it needs to be in between that bracket before you start using it. The key here is the cling wrap though. You have to have heavy duty heat resistant cling wrap, otherwise the sugar will melt straight through. I like to use a 15 centimeter cookie cutter for mine, but you can use smaller or larger if you wish. The key to this process is taking your time. Once you get to this stage here, you need to be very, very slow. Allow the sugar to gently move over the top of the cling wrap until you get what looks to be a sphere shape forming, and gently, gently, gently apply pressure. As you can see here, the sugar is gently starting to drizzle down towards that cookie cutter, and that pressure is forcing the sugar to rise. Now you can have a desk fan at this stage blow over the sugar to help it set faster. I just blow air onto it, as you can see here, but both techniques work. It takes about 60 seconds, a little bit longer if you're not using a fan. Now this section here, sometimes the sugar dome will just stay on the cling wrap. Other times it comes off with the ring, so you need to work quickly here. Use a spatula or a thin knife and just gently work your way around there, because that olive oil will help to release the sugar from the cutter. And there we have it. Thanks for watching.